Hey there, and welcome to our video on crypto investing strategies. Have you heard about the incredible returns that some people have made by investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum? In just a few short years, the value of these coins has soared, making them some of the most lucrative investments around. But of course, with great potential rewards come great risks. Crypto investing can be volatile, and it's important to approach it with a sound strategy in order to maximize your chances of success. In this video, we'll be discussing some key considerations for anyone looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. We'll talk about how to define your investment goals, how to choose a reputable exchange, and how to diversify your portfolio. We'll also touch on the importance of staying up to date on market developments and managing your risk. So, if you're interested in getting started with crypto investing, or if you're already dabbling in the market and want to take your strategy to the next level, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Before you start investing in cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to take a step back and think about what you hope to achieve with your investments. Do you want to generate short-term profits by buying and selling quickly, or are you more interested in long-term growth, with the goal of holding your coins for months or even years? Your investment goals will shape your overall strategy, so it's important to be clear on what you're trying to accomplish. For example, if you're looking to generate short-term profits, you'll want to be more active in your trading, monitoring the market closely, and looking for opportunities to buy low and sell high. On the other hand, if you're more interested in long-term growth, you'll want to take a more conservative approach, choosing coins that have strong potential for appreciation over the long haul. No matter what your goals are, make sure your investment strategy aligns with them. If you're trying to achieve short-term profits, but you're holding onto your coins for too long, you may miss out on opportunities to sell at a profit. Similarly, if you're aiming for long-term growth, but you're constantly trading, you may end up with a portfolio that lacks focus and cohesion. So before you start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, take some time to define your investment goals. This will help you create a strategy that is tailored to your needs and will give you the best chance of success in the volatile world of crypto investing. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, one of the first steps you'll need to take is choosing a crypto exchange. A crypto exchange is a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There are many different exchanges to choose from, and it's important to do your research to find one that is reputable and has the features you need. So what should you look for in a crypto exchange? There are a few key factors to consider. Fees. Different exchanges charge different fees for their services. Some charge a percentage of the transaction value, while others charge a flat fee. Make sure you understand the fees that the exchange charges and how they compare to other options. Security. Cryptocurrency exchanges handle large amounts of money, so security is a top concern. Look for an exchange that has strong security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and cold storage for its digital assets. Variety of coins. Different exchanges offer different cryptocurrencies. If you're looking to invest in a specific coin, make sure the exchange you choose has it available. Ease of use. Consider the user experience of the exchange. Is it easy to navigate and understand, or is it clunky and confusing? By doing your research and choosing a reputable exchange, you can help ensure that your crypto investments are safe and secure. So take the time to shop around and find the exchange that best meets your needs. One of the key principles of investing is diversification, and this is especially true when it comes to cryptocurrencies. While it can be tempting to put all your eggs in one basket and bet big on a single coin, this approach comes with a high level of risk. If the coin performs poorly, you could lose a significant portion of your investment. To mitigate this risk, it's important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of different cryptocurrencies. This way, if one coin performs poorly, you have other holdings to balance out the losses. But how do you go about diversifying your crypto portfolio? Here are a few tips. Invest in different types of coins. There are many different types of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its own unique features and potential uses. Consider investing in a mix of coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Don't put too much of your portfolio in any one coin. It's generally recommended to allocate no more than 10-20 of your portfolio to a single coin. This way, you're not too heavily invested in any one coin, and you have the opportunity to diversify your holdings. Consider investing in stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to the value of a traditional asset, such as the US dollar. They can provide a level of stability to your portfolio, especially in times of market volatility. By diversifying your crypto portfolio, you can help protect yourself against the risk of any one coin performing poorly. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. Take the time to research and invest in a variety of different cryptocurrencies. As with any investment, there is always a level of risk involved when it comes to cryptocurrencies. The crypto market can be volatile, and it's important to be aware of this and take steps to manage your risk. One way to manage risk is to diversify your portfolio, as we discussed earlier. By investing in a variety of different coins, you can help protect yourself against the risk of any one coin performing poorly. Another way to manage risk is to use tools like stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order is a type of order that is triggered when a security reaches a certain price. For example, if you set a stop-loss order at $10,000 for a coin that you bought at $12,000, the order will be triggered if the coin's price falls to $10,000 or below. This can help limit your potential losses in case the coin's price drops unexpectedly. Of course, it's important to keep in mind that stop-loss orders are not foolproof. There is always the possibility that the coin's price could drop below your stop-loss price before the order is triggered, resulting in a loss. However, stop-loss orders can still be a useful tool for managing risk and protecting your investments. By taking steps to manage your risk, you can help protect your crypto investments and potentially increase your chances of success in the volatile world of crypto investing. We hope you found this video on crypto investing strategies helpful. To recap, some key points to consider when investing in cryptocurrencies include defining your investment goals, researching and choosing a reputable exchange, diversifying your portfolio, staying up. 2. Tate on market developments and managing your risk. Remember, crypto investing can be volatile, so it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions. Don't be afraid to seek out advice from experts or consult with a financial advisor if you have questions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've learned something new about crypto investing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. We'll see you in the next one.